Greetings and salutations, this is Johnny Mac, Rock and Metal Plus. Welcome to another video. This time I had a couple of packages in recently with some really cool stuff in them. One from Everlasting Spew, and the others from my friends at Dry Cough Records. Well, I'll say my friends, I don't know me, but I feel like I know them because I got a load of stuff from them and they just have awesome stuff that I can't stop buying. So yeah. So first up we'll go for the guys from Everlasting Spew, cool Italian label. I've been chatting to a guy, Tito, from them recently on Instagram, I think, about bits and bobs. And he mentioned they were bringing out some like the issues of the Hideous Divinity full length. Came out in 2019. They're bringing it out. They brought it out just recently. 3 different colour variants. Cool little package. Buy all 3, and they're a lot cheaper, and you get something chucked in with it as well. So I thought I'd go for it because I was pretty impressed with the album back in the day. I didn't get round to it back then. So let's get into it. So the album is Simulacrum, I think you call it. And this is the cover. I'm sure you guys know this one. Basically, we're talking Italian technical brutal death metal. It's very heavy, it's very technical. Guitar work is awesome on it. Pretty pounding, pretty sweet. So I'll just show you. This is one of the variants. Let's get it out of the bloody bag, which is very nice. It's kind of like got a swirl, like a splatter and a splodge in the middle, like a bloody pinky, which is very nice. So basically, as you can see, there's a sticker on there. Sticker's got a picture, same as the cover, and it says Delusion, limited to 167 pieces. So there's 160 copies of this version. Okay, so that's the back sleeve. We have a cool inner that all 3 of them have, with lyrics and shiz, and each has got a poster. So obviously, as you can see it all, hopefully you can. Move it up and down. So it's essentially the album cover, which is very cool. And as you can see by the sticker's got a picture of the album cover on as well. I mention that because if you go to this version here, as you can see, the sticker is different. Actually has a picture of the back cover. The vinyl variant, which isn't easy for me to say, is that, which is sort of like white with pinky bluey splashes on it and big black, well, on that side they almost look like willies, but yeah, big black bits on it. So that's very cool as well. So that's the vinyl itself. As I said, that's the back cover. I mention that because the sticker on it, if it'll, says Embalmer, limited to 167 pieces as well. It's got the same inner sleeve, but we have a different poster, which is that, which is said to the back cover, which is very cool. So, we're getting there, you bugger. It's in there. Also a code. So that's the second one. Now the third variant, which is my personal favourite, as you can see, has a totally different picture altogether on it. It's all purpley, and it says Anamorphia, and that's limited to 166. So there's 1 less of these. The vinyl looketh like this. It's quite sweet. So whitey, cleary, splattery. As you can see, I'm good with the words. And lo and behold, the poster, when you want to come out of its home, come on you bugger, is actually a limited edition one, because that has nothing to do with anything at all the album. I think that's brilliant. I love that. Really cool. The names on them that were on the sticker, the names of the posters, are actually tracks from the album. So we have first side, Delusion, Centuries, The Embalmer, Condense, Anamorphia, Atto 3, The Dead and Loom, Akaton, Benton Thatcher, which is one of my favourites, Seed of Future Horror, Theta Vision, Impelemi Exitio. So yeah, Italian, technical, at times brutal death metal. No doom in it really. So fully blasted. Now then, I said if you bought all three of them for a cheaper price, you also get this, which is, as it says on there, Sinful Star Necrolati. 2 tracks. Basically, I think it's their first demo, which was recorded back in 2007. And they brought it out. I think it's on. You can probably listen to it on Everlasting Spews Bandcamp, but it's only available physically on this little cassette CD thing. With, if you order then sets of albums, so I'm guessing there's only a limited amount of sets because they're only doing 167 of 2 of them and 166 of the other one. So yeah, all good. Pop over to Everlasting Spew while you can. We've just had Black Friday deal, so I should have got this up early. You could have got a couple of quid off them maybe. Anyway, that's that. Next up, we have Dry Cough. And Dry Cough Records, they've got a, as I said, most of the stuff I've been shown, the tapes I've been shown have come from Dry Cough. They're Manchester-based record label and distro. Very cool. I said for me, being in the UK, Manchester's brilliant because the shipping, Gordon Bennett, the shipping is not astronomical. Some of the stuff I get from the States, it costs, I buy a CD for like, that's $10 and shipping's $15, so it's like, the shipping's more than the price of the item itself, so it's not worth me getting stuff. I do still get it, obviously, because I'm a collector, that's what you do, innit? Right, so, yeah, back to Dry Cough, Manchester-based, very cool. They've got a couple of things on their Bandcamp, which is like a package of vinyl, so same sort of thing, like a deal of multiples, you get a bit cheaper, but some of their slightly older stuff, obviously trying to get it up, which is fair enough. Don't mind that, and get trying some new stuff out. So there's a 30 quid 3 bits of vinyl, or I think it's 50 quid for 6 pieces of vinyl. So I'll go through the 6 pieces. First up, we've got an awesome, cool little 7-inch. The bands are Molch and Groke. This is really cool because they all come in the plastic sleeves, obviously. Comes in its little thing. Groke, Molch, both 33 RPMs. A nice little thing about bands as well. Line up and all that sort of good stuff. Right, I've taken some notes because I got a shed load of stuff here. The 7-inch, yeah, Molch from Nottingham. Vocals are all properly hate-filled vocals, sludgy, slow, doomy, great, really good stuff. Groke from Leeds, and a little bit heavier, I thought, and more death doomy. I think there's only 400 copies of this, so it's quite a cool little thing. I don't know what the bands have put out, if they put anything else, or this is the only thing they've done, but I'm certainly going to be looking more into them. I can't put this shit back in. Anyway, go on the pal, I'll sort it after. Right, next up, something that, if you're into your death doom and you know dry cough, you'll know this. This is the Delta Death Sirens by the one and only Slimelord. Now, this is, I think this came out 2019, and if you actually have watched any of my other videos, so you'll know I've already got this. So you never know, if I happen to, I don't know, say 800 subs and do a competition, I might give this one away. Keep your eyes peeled, what's happening. So, what do you get? Well, so there's 5 tracks, awesome Death Doom gubbins, slime green vinyl, which I probably showed on like a video ago, 2 videos ago, and I did, and it's brilliant, and I love it. Moss Contamination, this year's that I got on cassette, is even better. Cool thing is with this, I think the first, what, 75 or something like that came with a free patch. So yeah, you get a free patch, Slimelord patch as well, which is wicked. So yeah, and you know your dry cough sticker and all that sort of stuff as well. All good. Next up is an excellent double album. Also has the stickers of the band name, which is Blind Monarch. Let's get the vinyl out first and show you the gatefold, because it's lovely. Love the artwork. It's really gothic-y and doomy, and look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. Inside, look at these ugly buggers of the band. 4 songs. What do I put about these? Yeah. Name of it is called What is Imposed Must Be Endured. Where are they from? Blind Monarch. Oh, they're from Sheffield. WLP 2019. I got it down as Crushing Doom. Almost funeral. A little bit of deathy in there. Epic. Only 4 tracks, and that's a cool little insert, which is the artwork and the words. As I said, it's only 4 songs, and it's a double album. So yeah, you guessed it. It's a track on each side. So just black wax, and yeah, 1 song on each side. So 4 sides, 4 songs. Bloody great. If you like them. If you like your songs long and doomy and heavy, then a little bit of, you know, there's some nice sort of slower bits in there and nice little intricacies. It's got lots of atmosphere. Yeah, stunning stuff. Right, next up, we have a band called Leech Feast, I believe. Ooh, there we go. It's the cover. Sorry, dry cough stuff. Leech Feast, I think is it something, what the hell's this bugger called? Neon Crosses, is that what it says? That says Neon Crosses apparently, there we go. Oh yeah, on the back it actually says Leech Feast's Neon Crosses. 4 tracks, got an insert, which is, she's got 4 tracks, lyrics. This one comes in nice sort of coloured vinyl that goes with the cover, sort of a burgundy, reddy, pinky sort of thing. This baby is apparently from Slovenia, so they're Slovenian, and it's sludgy, sort of doomy, sludgy. There's only 200 copies of this apparently, and it's oxblood coloured vinyl. There you go, oxblood, nice. Slow, sludgy, heavy, doomy. Their second full length, yeah, good stuff, worth a listen. Next up we have the Zent. Okay, so that's the cover. That's the back of it. Said to me, if you showed me this and not told me anything. I presumed it was like a bit grindy. And you look at that and you think, oh yeah, bit carcass with early carcass grindcore worship going on there, Topsy and all that sort of stuff. Single black vinyl, very nice. What have we got about these? The Zent. Crosshairs, I think it's called. What's that? Yeah, Crosshairs, the Zent. 2020 release. It's reminds me a lot of 90s sludge. Very fuzzy, slow. They're Canadian. Good stuff. If you like your sludge as opposed to Death Doom, then you'll probably like it. Last up, if I'm honest, it's probably my least favourite, but hey, you got it. It's not my kind of music. Well, it might be somebody out there. We've got a cool sticker with it. Look at that. The band are called Pascagoula, and the album's called The Path Across the Aftermath. Cool cover. Stuff. It's just black vinyl. Yep, black wax. There you go. So, yeah, this one. These are, I think they're from Brighton, so from the UK. They're sludgy, but they're a bit noise rocky. So we're talking shouty vocals. I think came out 2018. Yeah, it's not really my kind of thing, but you know, as I said, if you like your noise rock, it's almost like, you know, I don't know, sort of fudge tunnely-ish, shouty sort of vocals. And yeah, it's to be honest, for the what you get on there, they're both great value for money. So yeah, pop over to Bandcamp and pick yourself up if you can do. So there's a 3 option and the 5, so there's 6. So yeah, all good stuff. Anyway, that'll do me. I got quite a few of these to record, and it's 11 o'clock, so I want to do a couple more. All right, cheers guys. You take care. Oh yeah, don't forget the YouTubey stuff. You know, subscribe, like, and all that sort of thing. Cheers, mate. Ladies.